Today in this quick tutorial I want to show you how to fix high CPU usage in Windows 10, how to reduce the CPU usage and gain performance. In this case are many applications that can affect your CPU, but today I will show you the most and easy to fix. For example, if your computer fans frequently hit top speed, it is happening because of the dust, need to be cleaned, it is a sign that your CPU usage will reach 100%. Your computer must slow down. That's annoying, especially when you're actually doing nothing. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, also known as a processor, is your computer's brain. Normally you can avoid this situation by staying away from demanding applications. CPU usage can sometimes go out of control because of a bug in a process. In most cases you can easily fix the underlying issue and lower high CPU usage. Because of this, I was writing for you on the notepad like that you can see and you can follow the steps and easy to fix. I was writing also here because my language is not good, but I hope you will understand me and I will do my best to make you understand without music on the background, without other voices or noises. Then let's go on the programs to show you how it works. So example, first click Ctrl Shift Escape and this coming out Task Manager. Then here we can see some programs that, example, the screen recorder I did myself, I fixed it to 5%, so it's alright. This was like 30% CPU usage, as you can see here. In total is 10% on this here, but I can't stop most of them. But the point is altogether to not reach 100% in that moment when your CPU reach 100%, you have a risk to freeze the computer, to block the screen, freeze the screen, this I'm telling you because it's happening to me and I fixed it myself and I said let's share it with someone else too, and I made this video now for you guys to upload on YouTube. Then look at this, I am trying now on Handbrake, to make a video. I have uploaded one video here with one game that I was playing, and I tried to make a lower megabytes on this video to be easier to upload on YouTube. Then let's start. Once you start, you will see here popping up Handbrake. 90% is over 90% is too much. This will freeze my computer in less than 10 minutes. So, or maybe in half an hour. Anyway, I have enough. I have DDR3 anyway. I don't have a high spec PC, but anyway, is it not that bad? I have 8-core processor, so it's not that bad. If I was with lower processor, lower cores like 2 cores or 4 cores, maybe was going more faster, blocking my screens, my computer, everything. I needed to restart to come again from the beginning, so the video was stopped, need to start again from the beginning, and also. So here, what we do, you need to click 2 on the mouse, go details. Is good like this because will bring you directly to the program. So again, click to on it, set affinity, and you will see the course here. Yeah, 8 course. So only you leave 2 or 3 course on that programs, no more than that. Or you can leave even 1 core, the program will run anyway. Then only press OK and go to the processing, and you will see now it's 25%, 26, maybe it'll go up to 30, but it's still saying very high, but it is lower risk to block your computer or to damage your computer, because in this case you force too much your processor, and in time you know, the life isn't going to be no more that longer. Then let's try with another program, or let's make it lower. Let's make it lower. Okay. Here set affinity. Let's leave 1 program. Let's see if it's better. 15. Will drop down, but I think after restart the program will be moderate. Now it's not restarted and it's working. Then what we do? We go off. Okay, stop. Yes, out. Then let's go Camtasia. There's many programs that you can test and you can fix, and will be fixed forever. Oh, depends what settings what you have in your computer. In Camtasia, okay, I have already one file here, one video here, edited already saved, but I wanna show you. I left it here only to show you in this brief video how to fix this issue. Yeah, this you can choose any here you want. Finish, and let's see that. Wow, wow, wow. So it's not bad. You know why it's not bad? Because this I did already. This is going same. 80 to 90%. I left only 3 cores on it, so I won't check it. Example, if you have 2 cores, leave 1. If you have 4 cores, you can leave still 1, because it is enough for that program. Okay, then go here and let's see what's going less. Then usage low, power usage very high still. Okay, but if I restart the program with these 2 cores, or maybe if I leave 1 core, will show maybe 15%. But once it's going over 90%, 80%, 90%, together with another programs will go over 100%. In that moment your computer will block or freeze, you know, and you need to restart your computer. Maybe you don't have SSD and your computer will take longer to restart. Example, mine taking like maximum 20 seconds. But I had before the normal hard drive, or I was waiting even 5 minutes to load all these programs, games, whatever, what was there installed. Anyway, you need to find the solution to fix it. It's easy. That thanks God is YouTube, and now people who have something to share upload on there and other can see. Thank you very much for watching this quick tutorial, and I hope you like it. If not, dislike. If you like it, my video, please subscribe. Thank you very much again.